Hello YouTubers, once again this is Chikodzi from Ruwa Music Academy. I'm here in the studio with my good friend Dylan Gwatidzo. I'm going to take a look at the song Tinosimudza Maoko. The progression, the key is still G flat or F sharp. The progression is simple. It's just a 1 to my 4, then I can do a 3, then a 5, then back to 1. If you know your number system, this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. So, basic approach to the song, you play something like this: F sharp major chord, is your 1, then a 4, then you go to your 3, then a 5, then back to 1. Something like this. Then back to 1. So what I'm playing, on my left hand I have F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp on top, taking me to 3, taking me to 4, taking me to a 4 chord. I'm holding my 4 chord on both hands, which is B, E flat, and G flat, and also I have B, E flat, and G flat on top. So, then to a 3 chord Maoko. So this is fairly simple, but if you're an advanced guy, you probably play something like this. What you can do on your 1, my 1 is always going to be an add 9, always. It's not a strict rule or what, it's just I like the sound of the add 9. Here's my 1. So, going to a 4 chord. What you can do before going to a 4 chord, you can play an outed chord, a B outed chord. You can do a 1. You can play it as an F sharp 13th, flat 9, sharp 9. I don't know, but in this case, I'm going to show you just one way to lead you to a 4, which is your 1. Then you can do 1 again. Now with the 13th, because this is my 6th now. My 2nd is my 9th, then my 4th is my 11th, then my 6th is my 13th. If you know your number system, because this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, my 9, then we have a compound third. It doesn't color your sound. Then we have the 4th, which is the 11th, then we have the 6th, which is the 13th. So, I'm holding this chord. On my right hand, I'm playing a 2nd. So this is B, E flat, G flat, B, D flat, E flat, and G flat. To my 4 chord. So this chord is F sharp, C sharp, E, G sharp, B, and also E flat on the top. You can also lower your 5th if you want. It just depends on the sound that you are looking for. You can play something like this. So my 1, then my 3rd chord. So you now have a F sharp, C, E, G sharp, B, and E flat, leading you to your 4 chord. After your 4 chord, you go to a 3 chord, which I'll play like this. I'll play something like this. So Tinosimudza. So what I'm doing is, from my 4 chord, I'm going to a 3 chord. Then after my 3 chord, I go to a 5 chord. Now you can do a 2-5-1 as I taught in the first video. You can do a 2. So Tinosimudza Maoko. See that? I just did a 2, 2, 5, then 1. So 1 chord to this chord, to this 4 chord, then to this 3 chord, to your 2, 5, 1. That's all to the song. But there are a lot of ways that can lead you to your 4. But we're just probably gonna use that one, this one, to my 4, then my 3, then my 2. This is my 2 chord. I have E flat, then I have G flat, B flat, then E flat on top, to my 5, which I'm holding like this. I have C sharp, then I have A flat, then I have D flat, I have E flat, I have F, then I have G sharp on top. Yeah, I have G sharp on top, then to my 1, which is always an odd 9, something like this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is Ruokoro Music Academy.